Okay, today we're going to be looking at various indicators in an acid, in water, and a base. And I've already filled up these wells with each of those. Indicators are things that change colors in an acid or a base. So I have multiple indicators we're going to look at, but the first indicators we're going to look at are called litmus paper, and there's two different kinds. There's blue litmus paper that looks more purple, and there's red litmus paper that looks more pink. But what we can do with these is blue litmus paper, when you put it in an acid, turns red, okay? So we can put blue in an acid and it turns red. Red litmus paper, when you put it in a base, turns blue. So these are used to tell if you have an acid or a base. You can put them in and they're going to change colors depending on if you have an acid or a base. All right, so red litmus paper turns blue in a base, blue litmus paper turns red in an acid. All right, next we're going to look at some liquid indicators that I'm going to drop into the wells, and we're going to look at what happens. The first indicator we're going to look at is called phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, it's kind of fun to say, there's a PHTH in there, but phenolphthalein, when I put it in the acid, it stays clear. When I put it in the water, it stays clear, and a drop already got in the base, and when it goes in the base, it turns bright pink. Okay, that's phenolphthalein. So it's clear in an acid and in something neutral, but in a base, it is pink. The next indicator we're going to look at is called bromothymol blue. Bromothymol blue in an acid is yellow. In something neutral is green. And in a base is blue. Okay, so that's bromothymol blue. Again, yellow in an acid, green in something neutral, blue in a base. Um, the next indicator we're going to look at is called methyl orange. Methyl orange in an acid is red, in a something neutral, and in something basic, it is orange. All right, so those are three chemical indicators. Methyl orange again, red in an acid, orange in everything else. There's one more indicator I want to show you, which is considered a natural indicator. I actually made this indicator today, and you could make this at your home if you wanted. It's red cabbage juice. All I did was take a red cabbage, chop it up, and boil it, and took the water from boiling it, and that's my indicator. Ooh, I'm dropping it all over the paper. If I put some of the cabbage juice in the acid, it turns pinkish red. If you put the indicator in the water, it's a bluish purple, and the cabbage juice indicator in a base turns green. And that's what this says here. It's red in an acid, blue/purple in something neutral, and green in a base. So these are the different indicators that we're going to be using, and we're going to have a lab using later.